Commentary. All right.
No, now it's different.
Different.
Those, I think, are either the pine siskin or some sort of a sparrow. And this is just above Janice's special tree.
Right. The hairy tree.
Yes. Look at all the curlicues it has, and you see the beginnings of
Little buds.
yeah. What would you call those things hanging down? I just can't think of the term.
I think they're little buds. Oh, look at these little birds. I guess they don't see the reflection. Or they don't see what's going on.
No, it's just that you're very quiet.
Was that it?
Yeah, if you moved, they would fly away immediately.
Oh.
But thank goodness for Janice's little tree, because that's their landing spot, you see.
Oh, right.
Prior to eating, and sometimes after.
Funny, they're really hanging upside down. They're so busy. So these aren't finches, are they? Because finches have stronger beaks, I think.